All right, so on this question right here, the problem with it is there's no arrows on these lines, okay? And so other than logic, you're thinking that this side, because it's on the left side, is the x values, and this side is the y values, so that would make this the domain and this the range, okay? That would happen, but without the arrows on here, you don't know which way is mapping to it. And so what should really happen, if this is the x, then it should have an arrow at the end of this saying that this is mapping to that one, and this one to that one. And so if we go by that logic and say that's the case, we're looking to say what is the domain of the following and the relationship, or the following relation, okay? And the domain says the x values. All right, so we have to know which one's the x values. And if I go through and look, these are my x value of -3, -1, 1, 4, and 5. -3, -5. We have a 0 there. That's not it, so that's not in the domain. We have -3, -1, 1, 5. And so this one would represent our x values. But without those arrows, you're really just going on your own, understanding that every time I do a table, the left side is the x's and the right side is the y's. And so without those, so that's the problem with the question. I know you didn't think about it that way, but that's the problem with the question.